Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Kenyans, DANSTAN OMARI is coming out to deliver a bad news to William Ruto and his KINDIKI. DANSTAN OMARI is saying that this case of Rigathi Gachagua is not as light as you think. This is a case that is going to pass almost to 3 stages. From High Court, where they are, to the Court of Appeal. Then from Court of Appeal to the Supreme Court. And so DANSTAN OMARI is giving us an average maximum of 3 good years of battle. In other words, KINDIKI is likely not to be sworn in as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. We were told that William Ruto was forcing the judiciary to swear in KINDIKI as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. But as per what you've listened to coming from court, you can clearly tell that William Ruto's team, they are so clueless. They don't understand what they are saying before the court. They don't understand at all. Maybe they know, but because they want to defend their clients, they will craft all kind of issues to seem like they are right. I want you to listen to DANSTAN OMARI coming out to say that this battle is going to be almost to 3 good years because they are battling with the judiciary that does not respect the rule of law. On the same note, the executive is on the same path. But before we watch DANSTAN OMARI, ladies and gentlemen, just do me a favor, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel. Because sometimes you watch the video and forget liking the video. This is just a reminder. As you watch, ensure you like the video. Thank you so much for that like. Let us listen to DANSTAN OMARI.
Kwamba kuondolewa kwa naibu rais anatolewa eti amekiuka katiba. Sasa mahakama imekiuka katiba. Je, mahakama ile ina nguvu gani za kumuondoa? Kwa hivyo hii kesi sisi tunasema kwamba tutatoka hapa mwisho kuamuliwa, kesi itaenda mpaka Court of Appeal, itatoka Court of Appeal, mwisho tamati ya Gachagua itaamuliwa Supreme Court. Kwa hivyo Wakenya mngojee karibu miaka 3 hivi ndipo ile kesi itakapomalizika.
Asante.
Wakizungu.
This is what I have to say about the proceedings that have happened this morning. Is that we've been in court for almost 2 hours, over 2 hours. And the first issue that came was the issue to do with the empaneling of the judges who are sitting. As has already been explained by DANSTAN here, is that the role or duty to empanel the judges of a bench to hear a matter is done by the Chief Justice. Chief Justice is not around, I'm told. She's out of the country, I'm told. I'm not too sure about that.
But she ran away?
But the only thing that now we are doing is this, that Article 165 Sub-Article 4 gives that mandate to the Chief Justice to empanel those judges. Now, these ones were empaneled by the Deputy Chief Justice. Is the Deputy Chief Justice capable of doing work that the CJ is constitutionally mandated to do? The answer is no. That is what we are going to discuss in the afternoon when we go back to court, whether it is available for the DCJ to empanel those judges to come and hear. Now, the other thing is this. If the CJ was out of the country these days, and as already presented by the judge, Judge Murima, is that these times we do it online. Was the place where the CJ is not covered by net, that she could deal with the files as presented, and then she proceeds to empanel the judges from whichever point of the world that she is in. That's another issue. The third issue is that this is done at night. Remember the old constitution, people used to go to court at night and they used to be bundled into prison. And
I think you have listened to DANSTAN OMARI together with the colleague what they are saying. It is so, so tangible. And I want to say those who are celebrating that it is now the turn of Kindiki Kithure to serve as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is not going to be easy. Remember, there are several issues that are surrounding Kindiki Kithure. I told you here very well, the process of him being appointed and his name being forwarded before the National Assembly was not in accordance to the law. Because remember, immediately the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua was over at Senate, during the night, we are being told that William Ruto submitted the name of Kindiki Kithure. The question we are asking, when the name of Kindiki Kithure was being forwarded before the National Assembly, the question that we are asking, who verified Kindiki Kithure? Because it is in accordance to the law that a deputy president must be verified by the IEBC. As you speak, we don't have IEBC. Who verified Kindiki Kithure? That is number one. Number two, Kindiki Kithure is not a president. Kindiki Kithure is not a deputy president. Kindiki Kithure is not a member of parliament. Kindiki Kithure is a public servant. He is serving as the CS of Interior. When did Kindiki Kithure resign and gazetted? When? That is the question we are asking. Kindiki Kithure never resigned. Kindiki Kithure never resigned. So as per the law, Kindiki Kithure angekuwa ameresign. But because we are having a government that wanajiona kwamba they are so powerful, they want to crisscross the constitution and do what they think it is right, not as per what the constitution stipulates. So if there is a possibility, huyu Kindiki asione hata hii kiti ya deputy president. Because some individuals who are like putting it in a lighter way, it is not. Remember one thing, as you can remember very well, when William Ruto disturbed Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, you want to tell me Uhuru Kenyatta was a fool that he never wanted to impeach William Ruto? Of course, angefanya. But alikuwa anaelewa zile repercussions and consequences yenye angepitia. And the same consequences and repercussions yenye Uhuru Kenyatta hakutaka now ina hit William Ruto. And that is why I want to tell you in this video. What DANSTAN OMARI is saying, it might be like a joke, but it might be true. And again, it might be wrong. As a matter of fact, you can even understand how this government and the National Assembly is seriously arguing before the court. Ni wale wameenda tuna mwili. They do understand whatever it is right to be said. But they're just defending the lawbreakers. Wale ambao wanaamini kwamba sheria si ya kufuata. Wanaamini sheria si ya kufuata. That is the criteria and trajectory that William Ruto and his punish has decided to follow. For the first time in the history of Kenya, William Ruto is going to be in the books of history as a president that served one term and he was kicked mercilessly by the people, kicked out from that presidency. We are telling him this country does not belong to their family or his family. This country belongs to all of us. Anyone who portrays like their positions are permanent, they are being lied to. The reality is, these positions are going to be changed 2027. And those who are occupying these positions, they might not survive. Those who are going to defend their seats, they might not survive. So it is going to be a battle, and a battle. So we're just waiting because what we were listening today was just about the battle in between the lawyers and the court of the day, because the lawyers are accusing the court, sabotaging them as petitioners. You find that some decisions are being made, them being neglected. So they are requesting the court to be sensitive and fair enough to understand, what the rule of law is. Let them not be carried with the wave of William Samoei Ruto. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till you meet in another video.